The BLACK+DECKER Summit Series Cordless Stick Vacuum offers exceptional suction power, making it a top choice for deep cleaning across various surfaces. With a runtime of up to 35 minutes in stick vacuum mode and 45 minutes in hand vacuum mode, it provides extended cleaning sessions. The vacuum's edge cleaning technology ensures thorough cleaning of room edges and corners, leaving no dirt behind. Its advanced 6-stage filtration system effectively captures nearly all dust particles, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. The anti-tangle beater bar minimizes hair wrap, while the LED headlights help illuminate hidden debris. Designed for convenience, it can stand on its own for easy storage and converts into a handheld vacuum for versatile cleaning tasks.